Looking for the best ratchet straps? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 ratchet straps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Erickson Pro Series Retractable Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. Retractable design, so unused length is stored around a center spool where it won't get damaged. Vinyl coated hooks prevent scratches. Simple to attach and remove. Made of durable fabric that won't stretch or fray over time. Sturdy, retractable ratchet straps that will keep your cargo secure and the straps from blowing in the wind. Expensive for what you're getting. At number 2. AUGO Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. Ergonomic handle and smooth ratcheting action make straps easy to use. Rubber-coated S-hooks hold gear securely without fraying or stretching out. Excellent value for the price. These ratchet straps live up to their claims, and they're sure to fit easily into your budget. These straps do not come with instructions on how to use them properly. At number 1. Rhino USA Heavy Duty Ratchet Tie-Down Set. Set comes with 4 1.6x8 ratchet tie-downs and 4 1.7x16 soft loop tie-downs. Ratchet handles are padded. Double diamond stitching on webbing provides additional strength. A heavy-duty ratchet tie-down set with an impressive breaking strength of 5,208 pounds. High price than some other choices, but they have an impressively high breaking strength. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.